Welcome, I'm the Math Farmer. This video is proudly sponsored by USA Tutorial Center. In this video, we shall solve these indices questions before us. Yes, number one question said, solve for x if 16 raised to the power of x is equals to 0.25. Now, what we have here is 16 raised to the power of x. This is decimal. We have to convert it to fraction. We want to know the fractional equivalent of it. The number there is 25 divided by this point here is 1. How many numbers after the point 0? 2 numbers. If it's 2, 0. So this is the same thing as 16 raised to the power of this is equals to 25 can divide itself to get 1. 25 go to 100. We now have 4. So what we now have is 1 over 4. Yes. So now let me finish it up here. 4 raised to the power of 2. 4 raised to the power of 2 is something as well as 16. I'll have x already as the index is equals to. This is something as 4 raised to the power of minus what? 1. Yes. 4 raised to the power of minus 1. The bases are the same. Now we can discard. We equate their what? Their index as 2x is equals to minus 1. So we're looking for x. We divide both sides by what? 2. Then 2 we go with this 2, leaving us with what? X. X is now equals to minus 1 over 2. Now moving to the second one here, they say we should find x if 10 raised to the power of minus x equals to 0.0001. So what we have here is a 10 raised to the power of minus x is equals to, how to convert this to fractional form. We have 1 here, 1 over the point here, 0. How many numbers after the point? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, what we have here is a 10 raised to the power of minus x is equals to, this is the same thing as 10,000 raised to the power of minus 1. Laws of indices. Law of indices help us to do this. So now, since we have 10 here, we can make the basis to be the same. 10 raised to the power what will give us 10,000. 10 raised to the power what? 10 raised to the power of 4. And here, okay, 10 raised to the power of 4 times, we already have negative number here, which is what? 1. Now, what we now have here, since the bases are the same, then we can equate their index. Since their bases are the same, we can equate their what? Index. So what we now have here is minus x is equals to 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. We are looking for x. X is not alone. We divide both sides by what? Minus 1. So this minus we cancel out this minus. X is now equals to 4. So now moving to this third one. Yes, the third one here. It says find x or solve for x. If we have 5 raised to the power of x equals to 1 over 625. So what we have now is x. 5 raised to the power of x is equals to 625 raised to the power of 1. Something like this. So now 5 raised to the power of x equals to, ask yourself, 5 raised to the power what to give us 625? 5 raised to the power of 4 is the same thing as 625. Then we already have a negative 1 here. Multiply by 1. So now we can, since the bases are the same, we can equate their what? Index or their power. So what we now have is x is equals to 4 times minus 1 is 4 times minus 1, yes, is equals to minus 4. Then the last one here, find the value of x if 3 raised to the power of, if x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 64. So this is the same thing as x raised to the power of 3 is equals to, then you now ask yourself, which number raised to the power of 3 will give us 64? Which number raised to the power of 3 will give us 64? So 4 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 64. the bases are, sorry, the index, their powers are the same. Since their powers are the same, that means we equate their what? The basis. The x is now equals to what? 4. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Math Farmer. You can follow my page on Facebook, Math Farmer, TikTok, Math Farmer, Instagram, Math Farmer. Don't forget that this video is proudly sponsored by USA Tutorial Center, Enugu. Bye bye.